covers the sky on rainy days? Time to think. 3, 2, 1. The answer is dark clouds. Excellent! Great job! Which season is perfect for building snowmen? Think. 3, 2, 1. It's winter! Fantastic! Wonderful! Lights the sky during a thunderstorm. Let's think. 3, 2, 1. It's lightning! Amazing! You're brilliant! Where do colorful stars twinkle at night? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. The answer is sky! Hooray! Great job! Keep learning. Which natural light appears after a rainy day? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. It's the rainbow! Fantastic! You are super smart!